So friends, remember those law firms that bent a knee to Donald Trump? When he unlawfully threatened them, instead of standing up to the tyrant, the dictator, the bully, they laid down. They gave up. And they pledged tens of millions of dollars to Trump, to the bully, in hopes that he would spare them. That's right. They tried to pay their way into Donald Trump's good graces. How's it going for those law firms now? Not so good. Let's talk about that, because justice matters. Hey all, Glenn Kirshner here. So friends, there are so many ways to fight the monster, the tyrant, the bully. But giving in is not one of them. And for some of the law firms that decided to give in, give up, lay down, those law firms that decided to give their lunch money to the bully, Donald Trump, well, they're learning the hard way that giving a bully your lunch money doesn't protect you. It further endangers you, and sometimes in ways you might not even see coming. Let's start with the new reporting. This from Newsweek. Headline: Major companies abandon law firms that sign deals with Trump. And that article begins, major companies in the U.S. have begun shifting legal work away from prominent law firms that struck deals with the Trump administration, according to the Wall Street Journal. The Wall Street Journal reported on a legal luncheon at Manhattan's Cipriani restaurant in May, where Brooke Cucinella, a top lawyer at the hedge fund Citadel, told other lawyers present that they like working with lawyers who don't run from a fight. Not only are firms that struck deals losing clients, but those actively challenging the Trump administration in court are attracting new corporate business, per the Wall Street Journal. Firms' decisions to either challenge or cooperate with the Trump administration's executive orders are now influencing high-stakes client choices with financial and reputational repercussions. Legal executives from at least 11 major companies are redirecting assignments away from firms that made pacts with the White House, the Wall Street Journal reported. Oracle, Morgan Stanley, an unnamed airline, a pharmaceutical company, and McDonald's have all moved or considered moving legal work, in some cases explicitly citing dissatisfaction with the firm's response to White House pressure. Law firms which choose to sign deals with the administration are not only facing financial stress due to a reported drop in clients, but are also facing internal protest and resignations. Friends, that's the way to fight the tyrant, the dictator, the bully. The law firms that fought Trump's lawless executive orders are kicking his ass in court. The firms that gave up, gave in, gave Donald Trump their lunch money, actually pledged tens of millions of dollars in legal services for causes that are important to Donald Trump, that has the effect of condoning Trump's lawlessness. And when you condone lawlessness, you are encouraging more lawlessness. So yes, those firms sided with the bully. And their clients have taken note. And they have announced, many of them, loud and clear, you side with the bully, the dictator, the tyrant? Well then, we're out. We'll find ourselves law firms and lawyers who understand the importance of standing up to a tyrant, who understand the importance of lawfulness and constitutionality, because only law firms that are willing to fight for themselves will ever be up to the task of fighting for their clients. And because justice matters. Friends, as always, please stay safe, please stay tuned, and I look forward to talking with you all again tomorrow.